So, I'm going to do a question about resistors in series and in parallel. The question is, a resistor of 2 ohms and another of 7 ohms are connected in series, and a 3 ohm resistor is connected in parallel across the other pair. If the total current through the network is 2 amps, find the PD across the 7 ohm resistor. Now, that's quite a complicated question, so the first thing I need to do is to sort out what's actually going on. And the way I'm going to do that is by drawing a diagram to show how these resistors are arranged. Okay, so there's my arrangement of resistors, and I've got 2 amps flowing into the system. Now the bit I want to know, the question asking me, is what is the voltage from there to there? Okay, so to work that out, I'm going to have to find the current that's flowing through this resistor, the current that's flowing in this branch, so I can use V equals I times R to find that voltage. So I'll call this current here I1 and this current here I2. Okay, so to find I1, I'm going to have to treat this bit as just one resistor. So I know that when resistors are in series, that R total is equal to R1 plus R2. So that's equal to 2 plus 7, which equals 9 ohms. So I can replace those two resistors with a single resistor that has a value of 9 ohms. So I'll just do that quickly. That's 9 ohms there, and that's 3 ohms there. That's I1 there, that's I2 there, and I've got 2 amps flowing in. Now, because these are in parallel, I know that the voltage across the 2 is the same. The voltage across the 9 ohm resistor is the same as the voltage across the 3 ohm resistor. And since V is equal to I times R, then I know that 9 times I1 must be equal to 3 times I2. That's 9I1 equals 3I2. The other thing I know is from Kirchhoff's law is that this current that flows in splits into these two currents. So I know that I1 plus I2 equals 2. So I've got 2 equations and 2 unknowns, so I can solve here. From this equation, I can get that 3I1 is equal to I2. So I can replace I2 in here with 3I1. So I get I1 plus 3I1 equals 2. That's 4I1 equals 2. So I1 equals 2 divided by 4, which equals 0.5 amps. So I now know that I1 is 0.5 amps. So that I1 and this I1 are the same. So I now know, I can redraw the bit I'm interested in now, which is the 7 ohm resistor. So here's my 7 ohm resistor, and I know that I've got 0.5 amps flowing through it, and I want to know what that voltage is. So I can use V equals I times R. So that equals I is 0.5 times R is 7 equals 3.5 volts. And there's my answer.